Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya. So in today's video, as you have seen the title, I am going to be talking about this famous Korean brand name as Numbuzin, and it is very famous in Korean skincare and in Korea, South Korea itself, but it is actually available so that you can purchase from India through the website name as Macaroon. So yes, I have got it from there and I have been using their products for a very long time. It has been more than months and I'm truly impressed by the quality of their products and how richness it has. And I just thought of doing a very quick and small review talking about the products that I have. And if you want to know in depth what I have to say about these products and how these products work and how this is really good for your skin, please keep on watching. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get a rolling. So I have three of their products. Number one is this toner, then it is their the serum. This is a serum and then another serum. So basically I have three of their products which I truly love. So how I came across this product is that I was having a lot of tiny bumps on my skin which was very small, a lot of texture, I would say, not particularly acne, just a lot of texture on my skin, whitehead sort of. I didn't wanted to use glycolic acid, something too aggressive, because my skin was pretty bad, it was pretty inflamed and I was not ready to get more aggressive with my skin. So that's why I was going through Macaroon website and there I found this brand name as Numbuzin. And when I researched a bit about this brand, I got to know it is a very kind of popular brand in South Korea itself. And also they have named this brand as Numbuzin, which means what's your number. Basically, if I would say that Numbuzin number 3 is my number, so that is what it is. And the prices were a bit too high, so I did a lot of research before buying this. And then I thought that yes, I should go for the number 3 because it actually targets in texture and tiny bumps. It also helps in skin softening. So I was like, yes, this is something that I think I need right now, a mild exfoliating serum. And that's why I have got this one initially. It was super lightweight, it was super gentle, and it was hydrating also. It might not be very hydrating for very dry skin people, but it is very hydrating for me, oily to combination, and normal dry skin people. You can top it off with a moisturizer. And the tiny bumps on my skin was actually disappearing with time and I was truly impressed by it. I've also ordered another bottle for this. It contains Bifidia ferment lysate, galactomyces ferment filtrate, niacinamide, silk extract, goat milk extract, glycerine, squalene, panthenol, adosinine. They have a lot of fermented ingredients. Now fermented ingredients means ingredients that have been kept for days and you ferment it, and then those are used in your skincare ingredients. Okay, so it is like vegetable based fermented ingredients and it has all of that. And another thing is that it had goat milk extract, which means it has a very gentler form of lactic acid, and also it has glycerine, which is going to hydrate your skin, and it also contains niacinamide to brighten up your skin and also work on that spots, pigmentation, and do a light exfoliation, and a very mild one, I would say. That is why I would say I love this one. It has panthenol also, which is gonna calm down your skin and also get rid of that redness and inflammation. So yes, this serum is actually very good. I would say I truly was very impressed with this serum. And when I was almost finishing the serum, and then I actually ordered other two products which I will be talking about, and that is how I got introduced with this brand Numbuzin. By the way, these products don't have any fragrance in them. So after I was super impressed, the next product that I got is their number 3 Numbuzin toner, which is their super glowing essence toner. It's a toner come essence. The texture is something which is of essence, but you can usually use it as toner itself. This number 3 Numbuzin Super Glowing Essence Toner actually is formulated with 50 types of fermented ingredients to achieve that glass looking skin, a radiant complexion. It actually brightens dull skin and restores skin elasticity and helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I'll give you a gist of ingredients. It contains purified water, dipropylene glycol, niacinamide, glycerine, bean seed extract, rice ferment, algae, grape, pumpkin, soybean, rice ferment, filtrate, barley seed, potato, hibiscus, milk ferment, lactose ferment, Bifida ferment, radish root extract. Contains more than 50 ingredients, but there are 50 fermented ingredients in this particular product which are completely vegetable based, and that is why this is so good for your skin. It has vitamin C, it has vitamin B, vitamin A, and that is actually gonna make your skin look super glowy with vegetable ferments. The texture is so watery, and like the texture is amazing. It smells like vegetables, but you have to apply it, wait for 2-3 minutes, and then reapply it. You can literally layer up this toner. It is so lightweight. I personally really love this toner, and it is very good for matured skin. Also, my mom really loves this toner, uses it every day, morning and night. Now the last product that I have from Numbuzin is their deep sleep mask. Now this is a beautiful serum that I was anticipating to get it, or like literally to get it from them, because um it takes a long time for the delivery, so I literally waited for very long to get this one. This serum is actually deep sleep mask. It can be very good as a nighttime serum or a daytime. I use it both the time. I like to apply it usually underneath my makeup to make my skin look super dewy, super hydrated, and then I apply my makeup, because again it really locks that, can you see my hand? This The toner is dried down, but my hand is just still glowing. I just wanted to show you, like, see, this is my normal skin, like nothing is there, okay, and this is with the toner. Can you just see the difference the toner makes itself? Now coming back to this serum that I was talking about, basically what is this number 6 Numbuzin deep sleep mask? It's a hydrating serum with moisture and elasticity that boosts your skin condition as if you are using a sheet mask. With this one-time usage, you get the amount of hydration that you get through a sheet mask. Like, now coming to the ingredients for this Numbuzin deep sleep mask, number 1, it contains 63% of glacier water. Then it contains butylene glycol, propanediol, glycerine, niacinamide, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. Then it contains sodium hyaluronate, panthenol, hyaluronic acid, petinine glycol. Then it also has some plant and fruit extracts. It has aloe vera flower extract, eggplant fruit extract, turmeric root extract, and then adenosine, etc. It is very non-sticky, hydrating sort of thing. My skin is already glowing, but let me just give you, it feels very cold when you are dropping it on your skin, and it has this ultra lightweight feel to it. These are literally super glowy products. Like, if you really love hydrating glowy skincare products, then I think this can be your jam. So this is actually going to work on your skin's elasticity, making your skin look supple and glowy and hydrated. And it's also going to work on your patchiness. If you have any dry patches, if you're using any acids and it's making you dry in certain areas, it's gonna work on that, because it is purely a hydrating serum, which is actually compared with a one-time usage of a sheet mask. Even though they are pricey, but these serums are huge in Indian market. Around 20 ml or 30 ml serums cost you around 1000 or more than that. These serums are actually 50 ml of product. They contains 50 ml of product in them, and that's why I think 1500 it's okay for this one. And honestly, you don't need much, because I'm using this particular serum for 2 months now, and I have used only this much, because you really don't need too much to apply. These are the best Korean skincare I have tried out, and they are literally from South Korea itself, and you can check out from Macroon's website. You will easily get there. If you have any further question, you can comment down below, and other than that, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then,